1 we are going to see about positions. The positions are several types of position in CSS, each serving different purpose for layout and positioning. The main position values are static, relative, absolute, fixed, and sticky. Here an explanation of each along with code examples. First, I am going to start with static. The default positioning value. The static is the default positioning value. Elements with position static are positioned according to the normal flow of the document. Setting an element to the position static will not change its position on the page. Now I am going to show the code. Div with the class static element. Now I am going to write CSS for this. Not Now you can see there is no changes in the code. Why? Because position static is the default in the code. Now I'm going to show you about another method in position, which is relative. For this, now I'm going to change the code. The position relative element with position relative or position relative to their normal position in the document flow. Using top, right, bottom, and left properties will move the element relative to its original position. You can see in the browser. Now I'm going to use position relative in my CSS. Dot relative. Now I'm going to give position as relative, and now I'm going to use top of 20 pixel and left as 10 pixel. Now you can see from top it has moved to 20 pixel and from left it has moved to 10 pixel. This is how the relative work. And then we are going to see the third one, position absolute. Element with position absolute or position relative to its nearest positioned ancestor. If there is no position ancestor, they are position relative to the initial containing block, usually the HTML element. Now I'm going to show you the position absolute. Div dot container div dot absolute this is an absolute. Oh, I'm going to write a CSS for this. First I'm going to give a container the position relative for the absolute element, now I'm going to give position as absolute, and I'm going to give top as 50 pixel and right as 0. Now we can see the code. See, it has moved from top 50 pixel and from right it was 0, so that it came to the right. Now we are going to see about fix. Fourth thing is fix. Element with position fix are position related to the viewport, which means they always stay in the same place even if the page is scrolled. Now we can show you the code example. Div dot fixed area. See, from the top 0 and right 0, and it will be fixed. And then we are going to see about sticky. The element is position sticky are position based on the user scroll position. They act like relative position until they reach a certain point. Then they stick in a place. Now I'm going to show you the code. Div dot. Now I'm going to write a CSS for sticky element. For the sticky element, first I'm going to create a div with container, and inside that I'm going to put a sticky element. Dot container height of 2000 pixel, and for the sticky position as top 20 pixel. Now see how it was in the browser. See, it was sticky, it was not moved. Sticky is based on the fixed and the relative. And why to use position? Different position values are used to create various layout design and implement specific behavior on web pages. They provide flexibility and control over the positioning of element, allowing developers to create complex layout and interaction. For example, position fixed is commonly used for sticky headers or sidebar that remain visible on the user scrolls, while position absolute is useful for overlaying elements on the top of each other. Thank you.